Welcome to etube Kids Learning World Wildlife Day. 10 line speech in English. World Wildlife Day is celebrated all over the world on 3rd March every year. Announcement to celebrate March 3rd every year as World Wildlife Day was made by the United Nations General Assembly on 20th December 2013 in its 68th session. Wildlife Day was first celebrated in the year 2014. For the first time in the history of Wildlife Day, the year 2019 focused on the species of aquatic animals. The theme of Wildlife Day this year was Life Below Water for People and Planet. The aim of World Wildlife Day is to establish awareness, cooperation, and coordination towards conservation of wildlife on a global scale. This day motivates us to take immediate steps against wildlife crime, which is widespread. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, 3,947 species, subspecies of organisms are described as critically endangered. Similarly, the existence of a 1975 plant and other micro-organisms is in danger. On the occasion of this World Wildlife Day, we should spread awareness about the importance of marine species in sustainable development. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for new feeds.